In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace a video in Google Vids effectively and seamlessly. This task might seem daunting at first, but with the right guidance, you'll be able to do it like a pro in no time. Whether you're making updates to existing content or fixing an error in your video, follow these simple steps to ensure your Google Vids content remains fresh and up to date. First things first, navigate to Google Vids. This is your starting point where all the magic begins. You can easily find Google Vids by searching for it online or heading directly to the Google Workspace. Once you're there, your next step will be to sign in to your account. Look for a sign in button and click on it. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. The sign in process is straightforward. You'll be prompted to choose your Google account from a list if you have more than one. Make sure to select the account associated with the video you wish to update. Google ensures your experience is as seamless as possible, so this step should be quick and easy. After successfully signing in, you need to select the video clip you're planning to update. Navigate through your Google Vids dashboard to find the specific video. It's crucial to double check you're choosing the right one to avoid any mix-ups. Now you'll see various options for editing your video, but for our purpose, click on the Format option. This can usually be found as one of the tabs or buttons around your video when it's selected. The Format section is where Google Vids allows you to make significant changes to how your video is displayed and behaves. Next up, click on the Video option within the Format panel. This will take you closer to the feature we're focusing on today. We're now getting to the heart of the matter, replacing your video. So look for the Replace Video button. This crucial step allows you to substitute the current video with a new one without changing its placement in your content, keeping the original dimensions, settings, and any applied formatting. Clicking on Replace Video will open a dialog prompting you to choose where you want to get the video replacement from. This could be from your computer, your Google Drive, or any other location Google Vids supports for video uploads. Make your selection based on where your new video file is located. Once you've selected your new video file, the uploading process will begin. Large files may take a bit longer, so be patient. It's important not to navigate away from the page during this process to ensure the upload completes successfully. After the upload is finished, your video will be automatically replaced. The new video will inherit all the parameters and settings of the old one, making this transition as smooth as butter. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced a video in Google Vids. This process is designed to be straightforward, but it's always good to take your time to ensure everything is done correctly. Remember, the key to a successful video replacement is choosing the right file and ensuring that it's appropriately formatted for your needs. Before wrapping up, here's a quick tip. Always review your new video once it's uploaded to ensure it plays correctly and meets your expectations. It's better to catch and rectify any issues early on. I hope this guide has been helpful and has made the process of replacing a video in Google Vids clearer and more approachable. Whether you're updating content regularly or just making a one-time change, knowing how to manage your video assets efficiently is crucial for maintaining the quality of your presentations or content on Google Vids. Keep experimenting and don't be afraid to dive deeper into the additional features Google Vids has to offer. Happy editing,